Hi everyone, welcome to moslehischool channel. Would you like to have a Windows inside your current Windows? Do you want to have an isolated space for running and testing your application? If you say yes, watch this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install and use Windows Sandbox. Stay with me. At first, let me explain about Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a feature that's available in Windows 10 and 11 Pro or higher. This feature allows users to run applications in an isolated environment. This isolated environment is a lightweight virtual machine that operates separately from the host system. We can test unknown software, suspicious website, or even harmful application without affecting the main operating system. Keep in mind, Windows Sandbox is temporary and requires virtualization features that you need to enable in your system's BIOS. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how you can enable Windows Sandbox. First, it's better I show you how you can see the edition of your Windows. Right-click on this PC, show more options, and properties. As you can see, edition is Windows 11 Pro. And now, let's consider virtualization is enabled or not. Right-click on the taskbar and select the Task Manager, Performance, CPU, and as you can see, virtualization is enabled. Okay, let's go to enable Windows Sandbox. Click Start, type Control Panel, okay, Program and Features, and then select Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down the list and select Windows Sandbox. Okay. And now, after restarting Windows, the Windows Sandbox is ready to use. Click the Start and type Windows Sandbox. Okay, you have an isolated Windows now inside your current Windows. Keep in mind, as I said, this Windows is temporary. Thanks for watching. Bye.